You know, one thing I was gonna say that because the video cut out because of storage. I know, right? I was gonna say is that one thing when I fasted, when I kept saying, why the heck am I so musty? Like, why am I sweating so much in my armpits? I mean, I just washed up. Literally, I was like, the frick? I was like, oh, I'm detoxing. I just came to realization. Other than that, it went very well. And it's not like a must, like, it's tangent itself. Like, some people stink so much that they think they're clean because they just got the shower or whatnot, but no, their organs aren't clean. They're not. Their organs themselves aren't clean. That's why they can get out the shower and still stink. Part of that, or they say people just don't eat clean. They don't eat right foods. You eat a dead corpse, and you wonder why you take a bowel move. It smells like something dead in there. It's not supposed to. Yeah. Uh huh.